Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Maxed Scholarship at University of Science, a School of Science, the University of Tokyo. Okay, I have made this Word file to summarize the scholarship. Now, Japan Government Maxed Scholarship, University of Tokyo, fully funded. Application for 2025 Government of Japan Maxed Scholarship at the University of Tokyo has announced for international students to study in Japan. Maxed Scholarship is fully funded award that covers tuition fee of selected students and also provide them with annual stipend worth that much. Okay, it is about this amount is equal to this yen amount is equal to 11,328 per year, while also covering full tuition fee at the University of Tokyo. In this summary, we will cover the details, requirements, benefit, required documents, and method of application for international interested applicants. Okay. The summary of the Maxed scholarship is host countries Japan. You will study in Asia. Categories are postgraduate scholarship, master scholarship, and PhD scholarship. All countries are eligible to apply. Full scholarship is $11,328 per year. Deadline is 31 October 2024. Japan Government Maxed Scholarship. Applicant for the University recommended Japan Government Maxed Scholarship for international students are open now. Also known as Todai, the University of Tokyo is Japan's highest ranked university and has a plethora of programs available in English, mostly at graduate level. In this scheme of Maxed scholarship with university recommendation, each Japanese university will conduct the preliminary selection and recommend their candidate to Maxed. All the prospective applicants first conduct must be university graduate school where they wish to study. Japan government makes its scholarship requirements. You should be international students with outstanding academic record, have already graduated from your last degree program, should have final grade point of 2.3 or higher, while current student have a grade point of 2.3 or higher for your current courses. For both should be expected to maintain the same academic standard during course of scholarship program. Meet the English language proficiency criteria, have nationality of country with economic relation with Japanese government, be born on or after April 20, 1990, apply for the field of study that they studied at the previous university or related field. Applicants should select a field that they are able to research at first chosen host university in Japan. Be physically and mentally healthy enough to pursue their studies in Japan. Be in principle be able to arrive in Japan by date specified by the accepting university, which in principle shall be within 2 weeks before or after first day of semester. Japanese government makes that scholarship duration and reward. Enrollment and tuition fee will be covered. Monthly allowance of 1,44,000 yen per month for master's program and 1,45,000 yen per month for PhD students. Okay. Additional monthly stipend also 2,000 to 3,000 yuan may be added to those students undertaking study or research in some designated region of the country. Recipients awarded travel allowance will be provided according to the itinerary and route designated for them by Maxit, with economy class air ticket for the international airport closest to their place of residence. Maxit will issue airline ticket to recipients who return to their home country within the final month of the scholarship period. For a recipient who will enroll a master's program or doctor program, the scholarship will be payable for the standard period of time necessary for recipients to complete his or her program. Master program October 2025, September 2027, and the PhD program will be from October 2025 to September 2028. Now, the required documents are application form, field of study and research plan, letter of recommendation, and an official transcript from last university attended, graduate or undergraduate transcript. Okay, if you are currently enrolled in a university undergraduate level, please submit an official transcript at last degree program, bachelor or masters. that you have graduated from, as well as official transcript of your current degree program. Passport type photo, okay, proof of language ability, certifying that one of language proficiency, abstract of your graduation thesis, and official statement of expected graduation of last university attended, copy of student's passport. How to apply for Magnet scholarship? So you need to submit your application, submit required document. These document must be written in either Japanese or English, and submit the document with not be returned an application. Pause the submission deadline is not acceptable. Application will not be considered unless all application forms and necessary documents are completed correctly and all accompanying documents are complete. Now will discuss here on that web page scholarship. Okay, it's called University Recommended Japanese Government Scholarship General. Number of places. The number of applicants to be nominated for Graduate School of Science to the University of Tokyo, as well as the number of subsequently nominated by the University of Tokyo to MAGZET, shall be finalized after application period has closed. In the last round application for 2025 interest, each graduate school was allowed to nominate at most one applicant, and the University of Tokyo was allowed to nominate at most three applicants to MAGZET. Eligibility criteria are international student with outstanding academic record who wish to enter Japan in October 2025 as a new student to study master or doctor program at the Graduate School of Science. Additionally, applicants who have completed their admission application for entering master graduate following, okay, application who have already, so you need to follow these guidelines, okay. Applicants who have already graduated from last degree should have finalized. I have discussed all these details before, okay, in our word file. Nationalities also we have discussed, the age, academic background, field of study. Applicants should apply for the field of study they have studied at previous university or related field. Applicants should select a field that are able to research at the chosen host university in Japan. The English language proficiency requirement. Hold English language proficiency test score B2 or above on the Common European Framework reference. You should have IELTS, okay, at least 5.5 or above. Have completed educational program whose primary language of instruction was English that satisfy the interest requirement of master program or doctor program at. So you need to get your English language proficiency certificate from your previous institution, okay. And health, arrival in Japan. Applicant shall be within 2 weeks before or after first day of September, okay. Visa requirements, non-eligibility, you can take a look here. Period of scholarship we have discussed. Benefits we have discussed, how much they will cover. Your travel cost will be covered, okay. Transportation in Japan, school fees, these are other details which you can take a look. And this is the application documents, okay. You need to submit these documents. So you need to see here how to submit for an online electronic application. You need to click here, and this form is currently closed, okay. After it will open, then you can submit your electronic application form and then submit your documents. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, please subscribe to YouTube channel. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, I have added the link in the description. And yeah, take care and bye bye.